You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. The name of a village in Poland. It's also a Polish given name. Polish pronunciation, how to pronounce Elzbieta. Elzbieta. Easy once you know. Let's listen to the pronunciation again. Elzbieta. For more Polish names pronunciation, stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.